you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the little bee box to show you for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the March 2025 Little Bee Box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I'm sorry this is a little late. It's going to be coming to you guys to see. The box was delayed in transit. It was literally like the next city over. Then it went a couple counties over, stayed there for a few days, then finally came back, and now I have it. So it has taken a scenic route and it's taken its sweet little time. So now we finally have it. And then today I ran to my post office so I can pick it up, come home and record it so I can get it to my friend. And I came in with a few groceries. All I needed to do was put a few groceries away. And one of my bottles of wine fell right out of the bag, landed on the floor in my kitchen. I have glass everywhere. I have wine splattered through all my cabinets, all over my floor, soaked into my rugs. I pulled up rugs, cleaned what I could just temporarily because I don't want to be all nasty and sweaty to sit down and record. So I temporarily cleaned as much as I could so I can at least record this video, and then I have a huge mess to finish cleaning. Like, that is my luck. My luck is always bad luck. When I'm trying to hurry, when I'm trying to have something done correctly or like quickly, that's just my luck. If I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have luck at all. Let's go ahead and dive into the March box. Again, I'm super excited to see what's going to be inside. This box is curated for a 2-year-old little girl, and I cannot wait to see what she's going to be wearing and playing with. So here is the inside of the box. You always have their card right on top that says thank you. If you have a social, you can tag them on pictures of your box or your child enjoying the products inside. You always do have your monthly card that tells you a little bit about what's inside your box. It gives you pricing, and then it gives you a little blurb on this side, and I love to read that for you guys. So for March, it's Lucky Little Bee. As we step into spring, we celebrate the little moments of luck and love that motherhood brings. You are your little bee's greatest blessing, the guiding light in their world. Through the sleepless nights and the sweetest cuddles, you are creating magic every day. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so then this side will again tell us the pricing, so I'll set that in front of me so I can tell you as we go. And then here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. Oh, look at how cute that little doll is. Okay, so the first thing I'll go with is that little doll, and it says Princess. This here says plush toy, valued for $8.49. Oh, look at how cute. I love the little yellow little dress that she's wearing and the little matching headbands. So now she has her own little doll. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So here's item number 1. Ooh, it looks like we have a lot of little hair clips. It says Claw Clips 50-piece set. Look at all of those. This here is valued at $11.49, and it's by Willow and Ruby Claw Clips. It has tape on the top, but I just want to open it just so I can show you. It's probably tape just so it didn't come off in transit. And in here are going to be all of these little clips. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Those are just super cute. And I love all of those colors. Those are super springy, super beautiful. Like, I love all of those colors. How cute. Oh my gosh. She's gonna be able to make some cute little hairstyles and putting these in her hair. So cute. Okay, so now for the outfit. I'm super excited about this. It says Little Lass 2-piece set, valued for $20. So let's see here. This is 24 months because we bumped her up finally for 24 months. Oh, you guys, look at how cute. There's a butterfly, but they're like in a flower pattern, but it's a butterfly. And then the pants are turned up. They're turned up. And that is how they are. You cannot like roll them down. They stay like that. That is so cute. And I love that butterfly. And then you have a little headband here that would match the same as the shirt. Is there butterflies on this? Oh my gosh. That is what those are. They're flowers, but they're all shaped like butterflies. And if you guys know, I'm obsessed with butterflies. It reminds me of my grandmother, who is no longer here, and my mother, who is. But anytime I see butterflies, I always just think of them, the two most important women in my life. So I absolutely love butterflies. So here it is, the little lass. I guess that's the name right there. And oh my goodness gracious, this is going to be super cute on her. I cannot wait. Okay, so now we have is something, it is a daily lotion. Ooh, they could always use a lotion. This is valued at $8.35. Let me take it out of the bag. She always protects everything so well too in transit, so nothing leaks or anything like that. And this is Baby Daily Lotion, Baby Sensitive Skin. So you have this big thing right here to use for the lotion, again valued for $8.35. Next we have is, it looks like a, ooh, hold on, let me get this out. It is a Glam and Glow Duo. It has a butterfly mirror, and then there is this little pink brush. That is super cute. She can have her own little butterfly mirror. It says mirror and bra set. It was probably supposed to be brush set, because there's no bra for a 2-year-old. It is a mirror and brush set, valued for $9.59. But that is so cute. She's gonna have her own little mirror, and I love that it is shaped as a butterfly. Okay, so now the last item in here is a gift for the mom. She always puts a free gift for the mom in there. I think that's absolutely amazing. So it's not just for the little one. There's a free little surprise in there for the mom. It's not added to the value or anything like that. And it even normally will have normally it has a sticker that says free gift right on it. I don't see that sticker today, but it's normally on there. And on the paper here, it says makeup blending sponges, free item for mom. So there's a 4-piece set of makeup blending brushes for the mom, or sponges. Does that say brushes? Nope, it says sponges. I just said brush. Maybe I still have that brush in my mind because of that bra. But here are 4 blending sponges. And it says makeup blending sponges with reusable case, 4-piece. So there you go. There is the last and final item for this box. But she also wanted me to show you something very exciting. The owner actually wrote her own book, and this is available on Amazon. I will have it linked down below if you would like to check out this book. It's not included in the monthly box. However, she wanted to send it to me so I can show you guys the book that she wrote. So this is by the owner. There it is right there. And it says, Staying Sane for You. How to create a balance between being a mom, raising a family, and work. So that is awesome. So this is a sample. It says not for retail value right across the front. If you do purchase it, it won't have that. But it was a sample for me to show you guys that she wrote her own book to help busy moms stay sane and stay organized with everything that you have to do. So you have this, again, you can get it from Amazon. I will link it down below if you like to go check it out. And I believe it comes in a soft cover and a hard cover. So you can choose which one for however you would like it, and the price based on what you would like. But again, you can find this directly on Amazon. That is so cool that she created her own book. I love that. So congratulations for getting your own book out and published. That is absolutely amazing. So again, you guys can definitely check it out. Read all of her tips and tricks to help you stay sane and all of that. So everything will be listed down below. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this March box. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is everything for this particular box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the items in this month? What do you think of this adorable outfit? Oh my gosh, and with the butterflies, that is just absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And I cannot believe how cute these little clips are. I cannot wait to see them in her hair. I just love everything that is in here. And this box is definitely geared to help busy moms stay busy doing what they need to do. And this box is brought right to their home. So you have an amazing box for your little ones every month. it goes with the stages in life, it goes with the seasons in life, and they take all of that into consideration and send the box. So all you have to do is sign up, or you can gift it to somebody. It's that simple. And then when you do sign up, or if you're sending a one-time box, you answer questions so they know the age, the gender, and all of that, and they will take all that into consideration and build these amazing mystery boxes for that child. If you would like some more information about the pricing on this box, I will let you know right about now. So for the little bee box, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. So the gold membership is month per month. If you just want to do a month per month term, that one's $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to a 6-month term, which is the silver plan, and it'll bring your box price down to $45.95. Or you can go to the platinum to save even more money. That's the 12-month term, bringing your box price down to only $43 per box. So the longer term, the less money per box. So you can definitely check them out. They will be listed down below. And again, SheCrafty will get you 30% off your very first subscription box if you are interested. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. I have a huge mess to still go clean up in my kitchen from that wine. Let me tell you, you live and learn. I will never hold a bottle like that again. I had 3 others in my arms. Only one was dangling. So live and learn. Another lesson learned for Tracy. There you go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.